In this video, I'm going to show you how to link pages on Neocities. So this is actually super simple. First, you want to make sure you have more than one page. I have index and a contact page over here. If you want to know how to actually create new pages, it's super simple. You can watch my separate video on that on my channel. And then you want to go in the page where you want to link the second page. So let's say I want a link to contact.html on index.html. So on the home page, I'm going to go to the home page, which is index. Click on edit, and what you have to do here, whatever you want to have your link, so I'm just going to position it down here below this image, you have to paste this in. Okay, so do like the beginning of this bracket and then a, and then spacebar href, and then equals, and then in here you want to do file name.html. So for me it was contact.html, just like this, and then over here you have to do like the end of the quotation marks, and then you have to end this bracket, and here you have to do it like this. You have to basically put in your link text. So this is going to show, and when people will click on it, they'll be able to go to that page. So I'm just going to name this contact page, page 2, for example. There we go, like this. And all you have to do, just make sure you take your time to actually craft this. Make sure the HTML name is correct, otherwise it's not going to work. And then just basically finish it off like this with a /a. Click on the save button, view it, and you'll be able to see now it's going to give me this contact page over here. There we go. I can click on it, and this is going to take me to page 2 just like this. Now my page 2 is empty, but of course if I had anything on here, I'd be able to see everything on that specific page. I can then go back or just basically link the first page, the index page, on my contact page to make it, of course, available to go back with a click of a button on the site, so people don't actually have to click on the back button inside their browsers. That's essentially how to do it, how to link pages. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.